Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is another episode of what makes this YouTuber great. It's been a little while since I've done one of these. And so today I'm actually gonna focus on 4 of my favorite YouTubers. So I always open each video by giving credit to a YouTube channel that is not makeup related or beauty related, but it is a channel and a gentleman by the name of Luvs Beauty. He has a series called What Makes This Song Great. Of course, it deals with music and all that good stuff. So this is kind of inspired by that. And of course, I kind of have my spin on it by primarily talking about beauty YouTubers and eventually maybe expanding it out into more than that, but right now it is very beauty oriented and Dollar Tree channel oriented. And of course this series is to just promote positivity, get channels out there, make you aware of channels you may not have heard of. And I don't discriminate. I do big channels, I do medium-sized channels, I do small channels. I think they all deserve recognition and they all deserve to grow, and so I do not discriminate against the channels that I choose, and I just try to find the positive in each channel. So if you do enjoy this type of a thing, I will have my What Makes This YouTuber Great playlist. I'll have that link down below in the description box. I've done about 3 or so of these videos and hope to do more in the future. So I'll have that link down below there if you are interested. And while you're at it, show me some support. And if you are new, I definitely hope that you will subscribe and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. And of course, if you're returning for another episode of What Makes This YouTuber Great, thank you so much for returning. I appreciate the support and always hope to pay it forward where I can. So yeah, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So the first channel I would like to feature is a smaller channel, but she has grown quite a bit here recently. And it's my friend Marina from the channel Confessions of a Dollar Tree Addict. Y'all, Marina is just a lovely person. I think she's located up north, like in the Long Island area or so. And she is just fun and so friendly. And her channel name says it all. She does a lot of Dollar Tree hauls and walkthroughs, and she'll do live streams, and she just has the best personality. She is so fun. She just has so much energy. She is just so sweet, so kind, and we became acquainted some time ago, and I just love her and her channel. Of course, she, like I said, does a lot of Dollar Tree oriented content, and she does kind of a special thing, which I think makes her and her channel extra special. She makes a lot of purchases for a really, really good cause. These products, or the sales of these products, go to help victims of domestic violence, like women and children. And it's a fully accredited 501c3, so it's registered with the state and the federal government, and I just think this is a lovely cause. And so she's always putting together like little baskets. She has really great ideas when she does like her walkthroughs and stuff like that. She has really good ideas on how to like make little like different types of gift baskets and all that good stuff. So if you love people that are really doing good for the community and just shine bright as a personality and just a citizen of this world, and especially if you love Dollar Tree oriented content, definitely check out Marina at Confessions of a Dollar Tree Addict. I will of course have her channel linked down below. Go check her out. She is lovely. You will absolutely love her. So the second channel is my friend Gigi from the channel name Gigi Luvs Beauty 2. We have collabed before, so if you remember her from that collab, you already know what an awesome person and YouTuber she is. But if you missed my collab with her a couple of months ago, I will have it linked down below. But you are going to learn all about Gigi. So my friend Gigi, and we really are friends. She has just become one of the people that I'm closest with here on YouTube, and again, just has a wonderful, warm personality. She's fun. She just shines. She just really is an absolutely lovely person. Just an instant I just personally had an instant connection with her the first time I watched her, and she is just, again, a lovely, lovely woman, a lovely human being, and I'm just so glad that we're connected. And first of all, she does beautiful, beautiful eye makeup looks. Not afraid to wear color. Just eye makeup always looks amazing on her. And she does all types of content, you guys. She does a lot of affordable beauty and high-end. She loves all things makeup. She does like unboxings. She does a makeup basket. She does palette videos, palette rankings, palette collection videos. She does empties videos, and every now and again she'll do a live get ready with me. So like I said, you will love Gigi. Gigi is just one of those people, just absolutely one of my favorite people here on YouTube. And so definitely check her out. She has all kinds of content, and like I said, just a lovely YouTube personality. So definitely check out my friend Gigi. Her channel will be also linked down below in the description box, along with the collab that her and I did a few months ago. So the last two channels that I'm going to feature are bigger channels. But like I said, I do not discriminate. So like I said, you know, support is support. We should support people on all walks of this journey. And so like I said, my last two channels are bigger channels, but they are wonderful channels. And you probably have heard of them, but you may not have, because, you know, in the YouTube world, there's people that have 13 million subscribers, and there's people that have only 500,000. And so, you know, we just don't know how that algorithm works, and whether or not there's a lot of people that don't know of certain channels, even though they're huge, or in our mind, huge. So I do want to feature bigger channels as well. And the first one is, and I think I'm going to get this right, it's either Chic or Chick, but I think it's Chick. Chick on the cheap. And if I'm butchering that, I'm so sorry. So Sarah Jane is the lady's name, and she is absolutely lovely, and she is mainly a Dollar Tree oriented channel as well, but she does some other things like Walmart and Target and other affordable stores. And she just has a way of, she'll kind of share like the best products from the Dollar Tree, like, and she'll do food, she'll do household, all that kind of good stuff. She has incredible style, incredible taste, and she has a way of showing you how to make inexpensive, you know, Dollar Tree products, make them look expensive, or how to make your home look high-end with Dollar Tree products. For instance, I learned with like containers and plastic storage, if you do white or gray, it looks high-end, versus bright colors if that's what you're going for. So she just has incredible taste in that way, and is sharing lots of good ideas and good products from these places. She does like Dollar Tree hack videos, and she just does she does DIYs and like how to organize your bathroom, or do like this little project here and organizing. And so anything that you want to get your home in order and have it look the best and not cost a lot of money but look like it does, Sarah Jane is definitely your girl. You will love her. Like I said, she is absolutely lovely. And like I said, if you love anything affordable that looks great and is a good idea, especially if it's Dollar Tree oriented, definitely check out Sarah Jane and her channel, Chick on the Cheap. I will of course have her channel linked down below, so definitely check her out. And the last channel I'm going to feature is one of the first YouTubers that I ever kind of started watching, and it is Jasmine from the channel Juicy Jazz. And she has been at this for, I guess, about maybe 10 years now. She's almost to 1 million subscribers. So she's been at it since she was like a teenager. And so we've just kind of watched her grow up. She married her high school sweetheart, Hector, recently. And she is just such a lovely young lady. They recently bought a home, and she seems just so mature, so humble, so organized, so sweet. And she definitely deserves all of the success that she has gotten up to this point. Incredibly hardworking. She takes YouTube very seriously, and she's a makeup channel for the most part. She will occasionally do haul videos, you know, from TJ Maxx and stuff like that. In Dollar Tree, she'll occasionally do a Dollar Tree haul video, and she'll do all kinds of get ready with me's, and she'll do like her favorite products. She'll do products that are her subscribers' favorites. She'll do like a full face of Dollar Tree every now and again. She'll do a full face of high-end. And it's just, she's just so very calming to watch, and she'll do occasional walkthroughs. She'll do like hygiene routines, and she even has some interesting get ready with me's where she'll do them in like natural light. Like I said, she is just a lovely young lady, just very vibrant, and just, you can tell she's so hardworking and very nice to watch. She just has a wonderful channel that she has built over these years, and like I said, is one of the first YouTubers that I started watching when I became involved in YouTube a couple of years ago. So definitely check out Jasmine from Juicy Jazz if you're not already familiar with her, which I know a lot of people are, but she is absolutely lovely. So if you don't know about her, definitely check her out. Again, I will have her channel linked down below in the description box. So thank you for joining me for another What Makes This YouTuber Great. Of course, I am always taking suggestions, and there's channels that I know that I don't know about that if you drop your suggestions in the description box down below, I will definitely look and check all these people out, because, you know, like I said, I'm aware of a handful of YouTubers in this big giant community in the broad scheme of things, and I know I haven't even scratched the surface. So anyways, I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, show me you did by hitting the like button. Again, check out my other What Makes This YouTuber Great videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.